everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe from MCGM Virtual Training Center. I welcome you all in today's Standard 6th English class. In today's session, we are going to learn a poem named Minnie and Winnie. Actually, it's a lullaby. What is it? It is a lullaby. Lullaby in Marathi we call अंगाई गीत. बघा जेव्हा बाळाला आई झोपवते त्यावेळेला झोपवताना जे गाणं गुणगुणते त्याला ललबाय असं इंग्लिशमध्ये म्हणतात. And this poem or lullaby is written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson is a poet of this poem. Now let's see what is there in this lullaby. We will start reading this poem and then we will learn the poem stanza wise. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell, sleep little ladies, and they slept well. Pink was the shell within, silver without, sounds of the great sea wandered about. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon, echo on echo dies to the moon. Two bright stars peeped into the shell, what are they dreaming of, who can tell? Started a green linnet out of the croft, wake little ladies, the sun is aloft. So this is the poem or a lullaby written by Alfred Lord Tennyson. हे छान अंगाई गीत आहे आणि मिनी आणि विनी या दोन बहिणींसाठी ते गाणं गायलेलं आहे त्यांच्या आईनी. तर आता आपण स्ट्रॅन्झा वाईज ही पोएम लर्न करूया. लेट्स बिगिन विथ द फर्स्ट स्ट्रॅन्झा. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell, sleep little ladies, and they slept well. Minnie and Winnie, both of them, where are they sleeping? In a shell. What is a shell? You can see in the picture, it's called a shell. Whenever we go to the seashore, we collect so many shells, right? So these Minnie and Winnie, two little ladies, means two little girls, they slept well, nicely in this shell. Now see the next stanza. Within means inside and without means outside. आपल्याला याच्या आधी विदाउटचा अर्थ वेगळा माहिती होता बघा, पण इथे विदाउट म्हणजे बाहेरचा रंग कसा आहे सिल्वर आणि आतला रंग आहे पिंक. साऊंड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट सी वॉन्डर्ड अबाउट. जस्ट नाव यू हर्ड द साऊंड ऑफ द सी. आता तुम्ही सीचा आवाज ऐकला, समुद्राची गाज ऐकली. सो दॅट साऊंड वॉज वॉन्डरिंग अराउंड देम. वॉन्डरिंग इट वॉज रोमिंग अराउंड देम. वॉन्डर म्हणजे भटकणे. तो समुद्राचा आवाज त्यांच्या आजूबाजूला भटकत होता किंवा त्यांना ऐकायला येत होता. पिंक वॉज द शेल विदिन, सिल्वर विदाउट, साऊंड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट सी वॉन्डर्ड अबाउट. ग्रेट मीन्स बिग हियर. द नेक्स्ट स्टॅन्झा. Sleep little ladies, wake not soon, echo on echo dies to the moon. Poet is asking them or their mother in her lullaby tells them to sleep fast and sleep for long. They are not being asked to wake soon. Echo on echo dies to the moon. त्यांना असं सांगण्यात आलं आहे की तुम्ही छानपैकी झोपा, अजिबात उठायची घाई करू नका. Echo on echo dies to the moon. Echo means you know the sound which comes back to us when we go on the mountain or the peak of the mountain, and if you shout, that sound comes again on our ear, isn't it? It's called echo. प्रतिध्वनी म्हणतो बघा आपण. डोंगरावर वगैरे गेल्यावर मोठ्याने कोणाला हाक मारली तर तो आवाज पुन्हा आपल्या कानावर पडतो, त्याला इको साऊंड असं म्हणतात. आता इथे या ओळींचा अर्थ जाणून घेऊया. इको ऑन इको डाईज टू द मून. दिस लाईन टेल्स अस दॅट द साऊंड ट्रॅव्हल फार अवे फ्रॉम अर्थ टू द मून and right up the moon, but they become faint as they travel from the earth. When the sound starts traveling towards the moon, it becomes very low, 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 and it dies till it reaches to the moon. पृथ्वीवरून निघालेला आवाज जेव्हा चंद्रापर्यंत पोहोचेल तेव्हा त्याचं काय होईल बघा. तो आवाज तिथपर्यंत जाईल का? तर तसं त्यांना इथे म्हणायचं आहे कवीला की जरी समुद्राचा आवाज तुमच्या आजूबाजूला असला तरी पण तुम्हाला त्या शेलमध्ये शांतता मिळणार आहे. स्लीप लिटिल लेडीज, वेक नॉट सून, इको ऑन इको डाईज टू द मून. नेक्स्ट स्टॅन्झा. टू ब्राईट स्टार्स पिप्ड इन टू द शेल. What are they dreaming of? Who can tell? So even stars from the sky have come down to peep into that shell. And why they are peeking up? Because they want to know which dream are they dreaming, or nobody can guess which dream are they dreaming about. See now, whenever we sleep, that we dream sometimes, isn't it? But we do not know. Do we know which dreams are there going to come in our sleep? Nobody can tell them. हे बघा, आपण झोपल्यानंतर आपल्याला कुठलं स्वप्न पडणार हे आपल्याला माहिती असतं का? किंवा कोणाला दुसऱ्यांना आपल्या शेजारी झोपलेल्यांना पण माहीत नसतं. सो हिअर टू स्टार्स हॅव कम फ्रॉम द स्काय अँड दे आर पिपिंग इन टू द शेल. पिप म्हणजे डोकावून बघणे. ते डोकावून बघतायत आतमध्ये. They are looking quickly without making any noise. Silently they are peeping inside the shell. And why they are peeping in? To see what they are dreaming of. But nobody knows what Minnie and Winnie are dreaming of. And the last stanza we will learn now. Started a green linnet out of the croft. Wake little ladies, the sun is aloft. So now you can see there is a bird. The name of that bird is linnet. Started a green linnet. Now green linnet, that is a bird who sings. So it has started singing. And which song it is singing? Started a green linnet out of the croft. Croft means what? A small farm. You can see in the picture. It has seated on a tree in a small farm. And which song is that bird is singing? Waking the little girls. That song that bird is singing, and through its song it is asking the girls to wake up because the sun is aloft. The sun has come in the air. The sun is overhead now. So the linnet, that bird, through his song, it is asking to the Minnie and Winnie to wake up now. It's time to wake up. Now it's day. Night has been over. लिनेट नावाचा जो पक्षी असतो तो गाणारा पक्षी असतो आणि तो आपल्या गाण्यातून मिनी आणि विनीला काय सांगतो की आता तुम्ही उठा कारण आता दिवस डोक्यावर आलेला आहे. सो दिस वॉज द लल्लबाय. रात्री झोपा सांगता या गाण्यातून पोएट आणि सकाळ झाल्यानंतर उठायला सांगत आहे. ओके. So this was the lullaby Minnie and Winnie by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Very simple and cute poem. Okay. Now we have read this poem. We have learned this poem. We have tried to learn new words from this poem. Now let's read those words which we have learned just now. आता या कवितेतले काही नवीन शब्द आपण बघितले. त्याचा अर्थ आता आपण वाचूया. Within, inside. Okay. Within means inside. Pink was the shell within. त्या शेलचा रंग आतून कसा होता? पिंक. Within. And next word is without. आता without म्हणजे त्याच्याशिवाय हा अर्थ आपल्याला माहिती आहे पण इकडे कवितेत त्याचा अर्थ वेगळा आहे बघा. Without means outside. Outside silver and inside pink. So the colors has been described here. Within and without. So that is a pair of opposite word also. Next word is croft. Croft means a small farm. Just now we have seen in the picture. Next word is aloft. Aloft means overhead. Sun has come aloft. Sun has come on our head, overhead, or in the air. And the next word is peep. To peep means what? To look secretly at something. हळूच डोकावून बघणे, without making any noise. To look secretly at something. Now these are some new words which I thought these words will be new for you. पण याच्या व्यतिरिक्त पण आणखीन काही नवीन शब्द असले ना बाळांनो, तो तुम्ही ते लिहा आणि त्याचा अर्थ शोधा. ओके. नाव वी विल डू सम ॲक्टिव्हिटीज फ्रॉम दिस पोएम. नाव दिस इज an activity time. So I'll read some activities which you all are going to do. Okay. So first activity is learn the poem by heart and recite it. After watching the video, you will learn this poem by heart and you will sing it, recite it. Next activity is find out the rhyming words from the poem. See, there are many pairs of rhyming words like shall, well, then without, about, soon, moon. So like this there are many rhyming words. So find out the rhyming words from the poem and write it down in your English notebook. And the next activity is find out the pairs of opposite words from the poem. Okay, we have seen one pair, that is within and without. So there are still some more opposite words. So find out the pairs of those opposite words and copy it in your notebook. So that's all for today. See you in next session with new topic. Till then, bye bye. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.